In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not letting me open links. If you find that tapping links in Safari does nothing or links won't open, you can follow these troubleshooting steps in order. This process will help you get back to browsing smoothly, allowing you to access the content you need. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. This is crucial because without an internet connection, Safari cannot load any websites or links. On your device, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon or the cellular signal in the top corner of the screen. If you notice either of these icons is missing or has a weak signal, that could be the root of your issue. So take a moment to check your connection. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Once you confirm your connection, you'll be ready to move forward. Once that is done, restart your iPhone. Restarting is a simple yet effective method that resolves many minor glitches. To do this, press and hold the power button until you see the slider appear on the screen. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on by holding the power button again. This action refreshes the system and can often clear up temporary issues. After your iPhone restarts, you can check Safari again to see if the links are working. Next up, open the Settings app on your device. This app is where you can find all the configurations for your iPhone. It's represented by a gear icon and is usually located on your home screen. Once you have the Settings app open, you will be navigating through several options to fine-tune your Safari settings. This step is important because certain settings might prevent links from functioning properly. From there, tap on Apps, then select Safari, and go to the Advanced section. This area gives you access to deeper settings that can affect how Safari operates. It's crucial to ensure that JavaScript is turned on. JavaScript is essential for many websites to function correctly. If it's turned off, some links may not respond as expected. By enabling it, you will help improve your browsing experience. After confirming that JavaScript is enabled, go back to Settings, tap on Apps, select Safari again, and then tap on Clear History and Website Data. This action removes old data that might be causing problems. It clears out your browsing history, cookies, and other stored information. It's a good practice to do this periodically to maintain Safari's performance. You might notice a brief delay as the data is cleared, but don't worry, this helps ensure a smoother experience moving forward. If you use Safari extensions, go to Settings, then Apps, tap on Safari, and select extensions to temporarily disable them. Sometimes extensions can interfere with Safari's normal operations. Disabling them can help identify if they are the cause of the issue. After turning them off, return to Safari to test the links again. This step is essential because it isolates any problems caused by third-party extensions. If you're using a VPN or iCloud Private Relay, temporarily turn it off and try opening the links again. These services can sometimes block certain connections or interfere with website access. Disabling them will allow you to see if they are the source of your problem. Once you have done this, you can attempt to open the links once more. Finally, update your iPhone by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. Keeping your device up to date is vital for optimal performance and security. After the update process is complete, test Safari again to see if the links are now functioning properly. Note, if links won't open only on a specific website, the issue is likely with that website rather than Safari. If links also fail to open in other apps, such as Mail or Messages, restart your iPhone first. If the problem persists after trying these steps, it may be time to contact Apple support, as it could be an iOS issue.